Hi everyone, welcome to the hashtag Scraps to Treasures open collaboration. Actually, it looks like they have a number of regulars, if you will. They're all listed here, but the hosts are Maria's Miscellany and Turquoise Dreaming Sheree. And there's a list of prompts for each month. There's a hashtag Scrap to Treasures, which you can't see. So for June, it's belly bands. I made just one, and I'll show that to you in a minute. I'm not a regular, but I've been trying to do it since February, but I think I skipped 1 month anyway. Yeah, I skipped April, even though I really like doing index cards. So anyway, you can see what they have. I don't even know what a masterboard is, so I'll have to look that up. But yeah, the rest of these things I'm looking forward to. So anyway, I did a belly band, and if you watched my hashtag Be Creative, you know I started a bucket list travel journal. I have some goals of where I want to go locally, day trip, over, in the States, further away, like, other side of the country, and also overseas. So I started it, and I won't show that to you. You can look at that later. I made 1 or 2 changes. Actually, I just put in one of my paper pumpkin alternatives from Stampin' Up! This month, I made a journaling card and a pocket, but I didn't decorate the back white pages yet. So anyway, here's the belly band. Now, this is 2 scraps of paper that were out of the Kirby Teasdale paper pad that I showed before I'm going to use for this journal. I keep scraps in here, and I had a long strip. I have some bigger scraps here too. I had a long strip of this green floral, and I had a skinny long strip, not quite as long, of this other leaf print, and I put it on there because this paper is not real thick. And then I used a Stampin' Up! New punch. Excuse me, it's called the Decorative Circle Punch 159174 if anybody's interested. You can't get it from me after June 30th, but any Stampin' Up! Demonstrator can help you. Anyway, I punched that in twice in Very Vanilla, and once in this woven paper that I just used on cards where I made flowers out of Graphic 45. For example, this is the woven paper, and this is one of the Graphic 45 flowers. So, and this has been in my stash for quite a while, and there are some scraps in there for that too. And this is one of the flowers that I made out of Graphic 45 punch outs. So if you missed that, that's in my card collab with my Monday collab with Paige Stamp Girl, and this week it was flowers, and I made these and made 5 cards with different flowers. And then these are stickers. Oh, anyway, I put the woven paper, which actually when you punch it, it is woven. You get threads, unlike regular paper. So I backed that on Very Vanilla, and then I put a Very Vanilla on the other side of the band, so that's good and sturdy on the front. And then this is a sticker, and this is a sticker, and they came out of this pack. Little Yellow Bicycle. This is clearly from Tuesday morning, January 2017. So sometime early in 2017 I got this, and January 2017 is when I started paper crafting. I started doing planner stuff in late 2016, and then that expanded into paper crafts, and my first thing I made was a pocket letter. Anyway, for a swap. So I just glued that together, and put these down. And so that is, it's a little loose. I had to put it on the top because if I do it, try to get it down the bottom, it gets, these two get stuck. So that's okay. And I intentionally made it, see how much space is there? Because I only have this book decorated to here. I have a couple things I found and I stuck in here. But look how many pages I have left to decorate. And by the time I get pockets in there and decorate it, I'm hoping that'll even fit. But that is my belly band that I made for my travel bucket list journal that I'm working on gradually. I guess I'll show you a couple bits. Oh, I found these two stickers. I did not find anything that said bucket list. I was missing that. But I found these two planner stickers that say goals, dreams, plans. So I guess I'll just have to write somewhere in here with a darker marker bucket list or print. I'm very bad at writing and printing. I'm not going to explain all of these because I did in my hashtag Be Creative on the 13th. But this has to do with this is a repurposed calendar. But this has to do with the local lake near me. And then another pocket here. This is for a road trip, and I found another planner sticker that says Weekend Adventures. So I put that on there as well. This I'm going to decorate next, just some journaling. And then the next one I hope will be, probably won't be world travel yet. That's going to go back. That's another sticker I found that I put in here. And it kind of matches this envelope that I took out of a paper pumpkin kit. So they may go back a few pages. This will probably be like a week trip to the Grand Canyon or Hawaii. I want to go to Hawaii again. So actually I want to do both of those before my time is up. So pretty, soon after this, I might have some pictures of the Grand Canyon with an extra page for journaling, and then probably Hawaii, and then maybe 2 pages for that, and then world travel. And I want to go to Germany, Ireland, and a few other places. So anyway, that's my bucket list for travel, and this is for the record. I don't know. Something's chipping off this. This is chipping a little bit. Okay, anyway, you get the idea. So that's going to be pretty thick, so I made it a little big. That's all I have. I didn't go overboard with belly bands because I only use them on occasional cards where they're like a fun fold, but I haven't done one of those in a long, long time. And I'm not one to make stuff if I don't know what I'm going to use it for, usually. So that's all I have. Please be sure to go check everyone else out. You can, I'll put Maria's and Sheree's YouTube channels, and you can click on them or just search on Scraps to Treasures, hashtag Scraps to Treasures. And you should be able to find everyone else that participated. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.